President Droupadi Murmu addressed a joint sitting of both houses of parliament on the opening day of the budget session 2026-27, hailing the conclusion of negotiations for a landmark free trade agreement with the European Union. She stated that the FTA will boost India's manufacturing and services sectors while creating significant new employment opportunities for the country's youth. Murmu highlighted India's strong economic performance over the past 11 years, noting that despite global crisis, the nation has remained the fastest growing major economy with controlled inflation. She praised key reforms like GST, which has saved citizens over 1 lakh crore rupees, and the revamped income tax law exempting income up to 12 lakh rupees from taxation. The president described the government's path as the Reforms Express, benefiting the poor and middle class through inclusive development. The address was briefly interrupted by opposition protests against the VBG Ramji Act, which aims to replace MGNREGA with enhanced rural employment guarantees. Opposition members, including Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge, raised slogans demanding its rollback, prompting Murmu to pause momentarily. Union Minister J.P. Nadda condemned the disruption as reprehensible, while Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju accused opposition MPs from Congress, TMC and allies of insulting national icons and disgracing parliamentary decorum, demanding an apology. The session marks the start of discussions leading to the union budget, with the economic survey expected soon.